Yama everybody, and welcome to another fast activity for our school holiday program. Today we are going to be looking or making celery straws. Have you ever wondered about plants and what they need to survive? Well, today we're going to look at and investigate what plants need in order to survive, and we're going to look how they transport water. So how they get the water from the roots and go right up to the leaves, which is pretty exciting. Okay, so this is a similar experiment to the one, if you guys remember from last holidays, when we looked at the escaping water and we had two different cups with the cup in the middle and the water kept escaping. So what this one does is we're looking at how the water travels up from the celery, so how it comes right from the bottom and changes colour and comes right up to the leaves. We're going to see how that process happens. Because what plants need to survive is sun and water. So let's get on to it. All right, for this one's celery straws. So what we're going to need 2 glasses. We're going to need some water. You're going to need different coloured food dye. And you're going to need some celery. All right, let's do it. What you have to do is we have to fill up these glasses with some water and not make a big mess. All right, we're going to put the dye in. Okay, so you can put as much dye or as little dye as you'd like. I'll just grab a spoon. All right, we'll stir that up. Okay, and what we're going to do, we're going to put some celery in each of them. So we'll put a little bit of a leafy one in there. We'll do the same for the red one. And over time, we're going to see how much it changes. I'm going to see where the water, how it goes up and whether it changes the leaves. All right, so we're going to leave it for a day or 2 and then we'll come back and have a look. All right, good job.
We're going to show you how to make a barometer. Now, a barometer is something that can predict the weather. It tells you if it's going to be a nice day or if it's going to be a cloudy, rainy day. And we're going to build a barometer using a jam jar and a balloon, a pair of scissors, elastic band, a straw, pens, a piece of paper, a ruler, and a bit of tape.